it turned into almost like a game. Like, I'm going to prove to them that I'm not drinking. Essentially, you just plug in a little tube into the device. It's connected to your phone. There is a camera that's on the actual breathalyzer, and it does recognize your face, and then it sends the results to whoever you have in there for emails. This was actually given to me as a suggestion by my wife's attorney, because she did start divorce proceedings, and then the attorney recommended this. Once the suggestion was made, I basically jumped on it. I didn't look into anything else. I mean, when we looked at this thing, it was nice, and you could tell that it was going to be functional and work really well, and it did. It saved my marriage. I used Soberlink to really hold myself accountable. It was easier because you had other people looking at it, and you knew that they were going to be able to see the results, and it actually helped. If I wouldn't have used this, I probably would have been in meetings and stuff. My doctors wanted me to do like inpatient stuff, and I really did not want to do that. And like, who has the time? I mean, this is much easier to just be able to do this, occasionally, a couple times a day. Since I used this, that did improve everything. It made my relationships with everybody around me just much better.